How to compress PDF file size. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best method. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so first we need to open your PDF file location. I have opened my PDF file folder here. Okay, now just right click on PDF file and go to the open with, and you need to open this PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Okay, this is a free, you can download this Adobe Acrobat software from online. It is free version also available, and you can reduce your PDF file size in PDF in free version also. Okay, so simply what you need to do, come to the any browser and search for Adobe Acrobat. Then this official website of Adobe, you can see, you can download from here. Okay, so then setup file will be download in your computer. Now just open it, and this install file, you need to double click on it. It will be start installing. After you install, you can see your Adobe Reader option in your PC. So what you need to do, just after you install your software, just select that PDF file which you want to reduce the size, right click on it and go to the open with, and go to the Adobe Acrobat, and this PDF file will be open in Adobe only. Now after open, now we need to go in save as. Go to the menu option here, come down and go to the save as others, and you need to click on this reduce size PDF. Okay, don't change here, just keep it as it is, which is written existing. Now just click on OK. Now you need to save this file as a new, so we need to rename it, and this save type is PDF only, and save it. And this file will be saved as your selected location, and after you check, you can see that file size will be reduced. Okay, or other method you can use, you can go to the any online tools, like come to the Google and search for compress PDF. Then you can see lots of tools come up. I personally use this one, which it is very useful for me. Now go to the upload file, select that file which you want to reduce. It will be start reducing. Now go to the compress PDF options. So it will be take few seconds to process. After you see this compress your file by 8% less. Okay, so it is compressed now. Now you can go to download, then the file will be downloaded. You can see this is 99 KB only. The original file was 150 KB, I think. Okay, so these two methods you can use. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.